Good day and welcome to another epic episode of Making Money with Eclipse. My name is Eclipse Gumede from South Africa, all the way in Durban, guys. I hope you enjoyed my videos so far, guys. Thank you so much for all the subscribe, guys, all the likes, all the comments, guys. I really do appreciate all the love, guys. And today I want to show you how to make $50 to $1,000 a month online, guys, with making t-shirts. It's a print-on-demand system, guys. It's like, see guys, I'm wearing a lovely chest t-shirt, guys. If you ever made this t-shirt, has probably made a lot of money, whether or not they make it online as well as they make it off online. So guys, I want to show you how to get, firstly, this print-on-demand system working for you guys. So guys, if you like me and you don't know how to design t-shirts, guys, I'm going to show you where you can always get these designs, guys, for free. You can always utilize them, guys, because guys, there are certain websites online where you can get photos, guys, put them on t-shirts. Someone is gonna like them, guys, like how I like this t-shirt right here. You never know, maybe you don't like my t-shirt, but I love my t-shirt. You never know, your idea, someone else can like it, and you can make a lot of money online. So guys, if you maybe go on, for example, Amazon.com, and we'll see in Amazon.com how, for example, this person has made so much money. You see how much one is now times of how many reviews they've made. So guys, these people make a living online, guys, and with websites like Shopify and Etsy. Etsy's a fantastic one, guys. That's one of my best, and Printify. So guys, with these websites, guys, you can always design your t-shirts. Guys, you can always design other things as well, but I want you guys to design your t-shirt today on websites like Spotify. Spotify can assist you with making these t-shirts and as well as designing on Etsy. So guys, I want you guys to design these t-shirts on Canva. The moment you design it on Canva, you can utilize it, the design you made on Canva, and put it on your t-shirt. And from there, they will make everything for you. They will make it, they will print it, they will sell it, they'll just get a portion of the sale, guys. You just have to do a fantastic design. And as well as, guys, I'm going to show you an epic traffic source that you can use today to push out your t-shirt, guys, to make more money online. Because if you just click out now and you go to Etsy, you design your t-shirt, you go to Canva, you make your t-shirts, I'm going to show you exactly a step-by-step on how to do it. Okay, so let's firstly go into Etsy. Okay, we're going to go to Etsy. Okay, we're going to create an account on Etsy. It's very simple to create an account on Etsy. Okay, once we've created our account on Etsy, where we're going to get this design, remember I told you we're either going to, one, make our print on demand, or two, we're going to have to go and get our free images. Okay, let's first start off with the free images. With the free images, guys, the websites like Pixel Bay, and as well as Pixels. Pixel is one of my favorite, guys, because they have a range of free quality images you can use. So let's just go on Pixels, Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S, yeah, .com. Okay guys, we're gonna go on the website, okay? Let's grab this picture. It's an amazing one. Let's download it. The moment we download this, we're gonna have it on our phone, guys, okay? So now once we have this picture on our phone, we can easily go back onto Etsy, and put it on our t-shirt. So now once we've had it on Etsy, now we put it on our t-shirt, guys. I'm going to show you a traffic source where you can use to get more sales, guys. Get more sales, and Etsy as well, they will push your stuff out the moment they see that you're getting other traffic sources. Like for example, the traffic source we're going to use today is Pinterest. Pinterest is the most amazing traffic source for print on demand. It's an amazing way to make money online. I use it to make affiliate marketing sales online, but I want to show you how to make a print on demand system online, because there are a lot of people there that are selling t-shirts online. Like for example, this person here, they are selling a t-shirt online, and as you see on Pinterest, it gets ranked on Google. So let's just say someone goes on Google and says, okay, so I need a dog t-shirt online. I need a dog t-shirt. They'll go and be like, okay. They'll scroll down. Okay, they'll see, oh, this is a nice t-shirt. I actually want it. They'll go from there. Maybe they'll purchase it on Amazon.com, or they'll purchase it on Etsy, or if that person has a Shopify account. there are many ways that you can make money online with this. Okay, so if you want to design your own t-shirts, we're gonna download Canva. Canva is the most amazing platform to make logos, to make prints and design, to make so many artwork. I highly recommend you download Canva. Whether you wanna make logos, design for your brand, Canva is an excellent one. So, but now we're gonna use Canva to make our t-shirt, guys. Canva, if you're very technical like myself on how to make pictures with Canva, I highly recommend you do it. Play around with a few templates on Canva, see what you come up with, okay? And then once you're done with that, you're gonna go put it on your t-shirt, okay? And now we have our t-shirt, now we are ready to sell. Now we're ready to sell our t-shirt. So I highly recommend we get our Pinterest accounts, okay? Download Pinterest, we now have Pinterest. So guys, so make sure when you're creating a Pinterest account that you put your niche in it. So guys, remember on my previous video about Instagram, I told you about niches, and all these social media platforms are all about niches, guys, and how saturated, because most niches are saturated, so they want to know where to put you in, because the moment you get the app, they're going to ask you, so what are you most interested in? Okay, so guys, make sure that you write something about your niche, okay, in your bio and as well as on your name, okay? So you're, for example, guys, dogs, everyone loves dogs, guys, so people, that sells. And as well as, I want to lose weight today, a t-shirt like that, I will buy it, guys, a t-shirt like that. Or I lost this, and then laugh about it. Or I'm the craziest guy. Like if that's a t-shirt, I'll buy it, guys. Or I'm the smartest character ever. Like there's so many ideas you can come up with. Just play around with it and see what you can get. So guys, now that we have our Pinterest account, okay, we're gonna get Pinterest, and guys, we're gonna create our boards. I highly recommend you have 10 boards. Make your 10 boards, separate your 10 boards, create 10 boards, and with every board there must be 10 pins. This is gonna take time, I know it's gonna take time, but it's really gonna be worth it. Like, I still make some sales of Pinterest pins that I made in 2020. Remember I told you I started my journey in 2020? I'm still making money from pins that I made in 2020 today. So guys, this is a lucrative opportunity that I'm giving you today. Literally, I'm giving you the opportunity to make money, guys, and I highly recommend to be consistent. So let's say you don't make money today and you don't make money tomorrow. Guys, I only made my first sale after 7 months of being online. But with me, guys, I'm gonna show you how to quicken that, how to make that process faster. Because I sat around and I was like, you know what? It's not working out for me. Maybe you were like me and it wasn't working out for you. This is an excellent video for you guys because I'm giving you all the information the right way. I'm not BSing you in any way. Apologize my words, okay? So guys, tune in, subscribe to the video, add a like to this video, guys. I hope you're still with me, hope you're enjoying it. So guys, with Pinterest, we can still create pins with Canva. That's why I highly recommend that we download Canva, we get out Canva, play around with Canva, and from Canva we can create a nice ad, a nice logo, a nice whatever we need, and that will create more engagement on Pinterest. Okay, so guys, if you need more on Pinterest, I can do a video on how to make more money on Pinterest, how to get more traffic on Pinterest, like how I did with Instagram. I can make a whole video on Pinterest, how to get more traffic on that. Just drop a comment down below and let me know how that'll be for you. So guys, I hope you have an amazing day, afternoon, morning, no matter what time you're watching this video, guys. My name is Eclipse from South Africa, guys. I hope you do enjoy this next video. Thank you very much.